Hi there and good evening. My name is Hinda and welcome to my channel. So a while back I got these gorgeous yarns from Ice Yarns and I made with them this little set over here, a hat and these mittens, and these are what I have left. So I decided to make with them a hexagon granny stitch sweater, where basically you make two big hexagons of granny squares and then you kind of connect them together in the back, and that makes like the sweater with the sleeves. You basically connect it all and it comes out into a sweater. So I haven't yet made this pattern ever, so this is a first for me and I'm really excited to try it out. I've watched a few tutorials, I've looked at how it's done. Let's get started. Okay, so I finished both sides of the sweater, so now I'm going to connect it here along the back and then along the sleeves until about here, more or less. So let's do that. I'm going to try to make a invisible stitching, basically going into just the back loops of the stitches and connecting them. And then it comes out an invisible join. Not sure if it's called the mattress stitch, or I'm not sure exactly what it's called. And here it is, all finished. It was so fun and easy and quick to make. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make some kind of closure in front or just leave it open. It's just absolutely adorable and I absolutely love it. Thank you for watching. All the best.